Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I thought I'd teach you guys how to do tapestry crochet. What is tapestry crochet? Basically, you take a little alpha pattern or a pixel grid and you just recreate it in stitch form. You can make anything from cute little ducks to mega purses. So let's get started with our tapestry. So what you'll need first is, of course, your pixel art for a reference. You can either print it out, but I usually like it on my iPad, so it's a little easier to follow with, because then I can zoom in whenever I need. I'm having this off to the side for now, but I will pop it up on screen right now. And for this pattern, I'm going to be using a light green and a dark green. And I'm going to be starting with this dark green. So if you know how to do a single crochet and a chain, you can do tapestry crochet. So let's start off with our slip knot. So make like a little loop, and then grab the yarn through the loop and pull it through. And then you know you did it right when you put your hook through the loop and you pull the yarn and it goes tight. And we have 23 cubes on here, so we're going to need to do 23 chains. And now, since we're going to be working back and forth, I'm going to chain one more and then start our first row. So go into your first hook and just do a single crochet. So I've already got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then on our 7, we're not going to finish the stitch completely. We're going to go ahead and grab our other color, and we're just going to finish that stitch with our new color and pull it through just like that. So now we're going to be working with our light green, and we only need to crochet 2. It's kind of difficult to like hold all the yarn together, but let's crochet 1 and then 2. Again, we're not going to finish it. We're going to pick up our other green and finish the stitch like that. And now we just need to finish the rest of this with our dark green. And let's hide the tail in our work. You don't have to hide it in your work, but that's just what I'm doing. You can just weave it in later if you're not going to hide it. And now we're done with our first official row. And then we're just going to chain 1 and turn around. Now this is going to be our bad side. So whenever I'm done with the row, I draw a red line through it, or any color line. So from here, we're going to need to count 1, 6, 7, 8, 9 stitches. And 9, again, we're not going to finish it, but we are, instead of dropping it forward, we're going to take it back, grab our yarn, and finish it. You might have to like adjust it and like leave it loose, but I'm actually going to carry the yarn in the stitches. I do a mix of both. So I'm just going to hide it. So next stitch. So we need to do, now that we're done with that, we need to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we already got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, bring our color to the back, since that's our back side, our bad side. finish it with your dark green, and then finish the row. And then this is our good side. If you guys are wondering what hook I'm using a 4.5 millimeter. I'm pretty sure I got this hook at the Dollar Tree, but I don't remember. If you guys want, you can like take a screenshot and reverse Google search it. Done with your crochet piece, there's one of two things you can do. You can just leave it as is, or you can get yourself a steamer. This one was like 15 bucks on Amazon, and just steam your stuff. It really makes it like a lot more flimsy and way easier to work with. So if you want your projects to be more usable and not so stiff, get yourself a steamer. And I work with 100% acrylic yarn. But if you made it to the end, please like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!